Today is the 23rd of June 2011, and we'd like to welcome you again to Megatrade 101 video presentation analyzing the foreign exchange market. And today we have the euro, the pound, as well as the cross rates on the euro pound on a daily basis, but we'll be switching some of the charts into a weekly, so we would have a bigger picture of how the market actually is moving right now. And it's currently a live presentation today, but we would like to give you a background that this video presentation supports our market view analysis dated the week of the 7th to the 13th, including the 15th of June to the 18th, and to the current price levels, which led the euro on a daily basis here. Currently it's moving at 141.92, moving lower, with the US dollar moving stronger, with the remarks of Ben Bernanke added to the tone, as well as the negative report from the European side on a much weaker manufacturing data that also prompted the European majors to make a sharp drop from the current price of 141.96 for the euro, but from a high of 144.40. However, the highest price it achieved was at 146.88, and after the spike formation, or some would love to call this as an engulfing bar, and with 3 consecutive down movement with a slight correction and then a continuation of the down movement, have prompted the dollar to move in a crisscross, going up and down, as we have mentioned that the wider fluctuations for the currencies would be made due to the volatility of the market and the increasing uncertainty with regards to the sovereign debt crisis in Greece, prompted the doubts and the heavy tone that the market on the euro and the pound has been making as of today. However, the significance here is that not a lot have called the market as a reversal simply because of the uncertainty. However, if we look at this on a weekly basis, there is already a signal here. Although the trend is significantly on the high side, or a trend up, but with this engulfing bar and a spike formation on a technical basis already signals that there is a possibility for a price reversal in the making, and this was from I believe it's from a high of 146.95. Okay, there you go, and making a low of 143.20. Although here it rested on the support, but it is a weak support even if there is a 3 support price levels within a major uptrend. But hanging here, as far as this candlestick is concerned, there is already the signal of a down movement, and looking at it here on a monthly basis. As you could see that we are already trying to speculate and predict more or less where the price level would be stopping. Of course, there is no such thing as a straight down or a straight up, but however, the 1.3980 range low would be a significant psychological support. I would say between the 138.80 and the 139.80 level would be the play on where it would try to find some significant support. However, what is important now is the 141.50 down to 140.80 level would be the initial target here, which is a good support. And touching the Fibonacci fan formation, which we utilize, and with the 21 week moving average, 141.64, which is actually where it is resting right now, and due to a Friday trading, that a simple up and down movement, but more on the downside would be made. As you could see here, comparing it with the sterling pound that we did short and speculated on at the price levels of 164 level and a substantial gain at 159.75 currently, which we did call for a price reversal and a confirmation on the 15th of June prior to this movement. However, currently here, as far as the cross rate on the euro pound is concerned, the obvious technical formation of a double top is actually what made it on a technical basis. The fundamentals actually supported this movement that justified the movement for the euro and the pound to move lower.